Hey everybody, this is Eli Freestone, and you're watching my Project 4 screencast for Visual Frameworks 1210. So Project 4 went super smooth. I didn't have any issues with any of the JavaScript. It was actually a whole lot easier to get my JSON data to load into local storage than I thought it would be. Really the only thing I had issues with this week was coming up with a good icon set for my other events. I needed something that was kind of a catch-all. But I did finally get that squared away as well, and that's all good to go. So on to the app itself. I did some more CSS tweaking. Specifically, this is actually an image now. I tried a bunch of different ways to get the text to stay the same size between the add item and index pages through CSS, and it just wasn't working out quite right. So I did an image, and now it's almost stays exactly the same. It does shrink just a little bit, but not as much as it was before. That was just something that was really bothering me. Uh, Beyond that, there isn't a whole lot of differences. I did mess around with some backgrounds, gradients, and stuff like that, and everything kind of made it look cheesy, so I just kind of skipped those and went back to the solid color. I did get the display for the slider to work. This is actually through an output tag in my HTML file, though. It's not actually JavaScript per se. Although from what I was reading, it sounds like it used to be something JavaScript and it's new in HTML5. I'm just not really sure about that. So this may still qualify for the extra credit. If it does, awesome. If it doesn't, that's no big deal either. So let's go ahead and display our data. It fills up with my JSON data. So this is actually the others icon I came up with. It's just a calendar, and instead of the month, it says other. And then we have a rose for anniversaries and a cake for birthdays. Although it was really frustrating at times, I had a lot of fun with this project and in this class, and I look forward to actually have a couple of different ideas for little apps to build more out of practice, like a grocery app and stuff like that. I guess that's about it. Again, this is Eli Freestone. This has been Project 4 Screencast for VFW 1210. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.